Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A5m, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will show your toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is somewhere, I just can't see it right now. Come on. There's no way I'm this blind. Might not be added by default, so let's see if we can add it. We're gonna click right here on these three dots, and then we're gonna select Edit Tiles. And yep, there it is. So we can just click on that plus. This will add our Do Not Disturb mode toggle to the toggles right here. And we can now hold it. This will take us to the settings. We recommend going in here at least once just so we can see how it is set by default. And once you've done so, you can close this and you don't ever have to go back here again. Now, whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, you just find a toggle and tap on it here. We're going to select turn on. This only shows up once, as the box do not show this again. It is checked on by default. And you can see it's now enabled. You also have this icon right here that indicates so. And you might want to keep that in mind, as the Do Not Disturb mode will run indefinitely in the background, so you will need to remember to turn it off yourself once you're done needing it. And you can do so by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it. And there we go, it's now disabled. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.